Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you into Hustle World, today we got an awesome watch face by SzaZs. Now, my man is celebrating his 40th birthday and he's sharing with us a couple of free watch faces. Now, I'm going to review the digital version of this one, but he also has a hybrid version as well that's going to be free for the taking. I will leave a link for both watch faces. Again, reach out to my man and tell him happy birthday. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off. The name of the watch face is called SzaZs Professional. He did a really good job with this one. I like the layout. I do like the design of this watch face. Even in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look, same design. Now, when the watch face is on, you're going to get everything you need to a step status and also your digital time. Now, at the top, you will be able to get your battery info with the meter. Up under it, as you can see, you got some animation going on within the watch face that adds nice character to it. I do like it. Also, if you come down, you're going to get your battery info, miles walked around, floors climbed. Again, if you come down just a little bit more, you'll get your date, the day of the week, also animated seconds, along with a big bold digital time that's going to be in 12 and 24 hours, right? Right up under that, you will get your date information along with your step info, your heart rate, and your calories burned. So this watch face is fully packed and it gives a lot of information as well. Now, it is interactive. Now, if you look up at the top, if I tap across the board, I'm going to be able to set favorites, 3, right? 3 at the top, and then down at the bottom, flanked on both sides. If I tap here and if I tap here, I will be able to set a favorite, which I thought was pretty cool. Also, if I tap here, I can bring up my heart rate information, and if I double tap down at the bottom, I can customize the color theme of the watch faces as well. Now, you can do the same thing with the time. If you tap in the middle, you can customize the digital time to whatever color you want to mix and match with. So I thought this was pretty nice for a casual dressed down watch face. I thought my man did a really good job with this one. So I got to give him 3 thumbs up in the door for such creativity. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And don't forget, wish my man SzaZs a happy birthday. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.